How to send PDF file using Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can send PDF file using Messenger. Now to do so, you'll have to log into Facebook on facebook.com on your browser. Now simply open up laptop. Here you can see I'm on my laptop and you wanna head into your PC browser and then search in for facebook.com and log into your account. Now at the right hand side you can see all the chats. You can open up a chat that you want to send the PDF file to. Now I'll just be sending it to this here. Now here you'll get various options at the chat. You can see plus icon here. Here you'll find the option attach a file. Simply click on attach a file option. Now make sure you have downloaded the PDF file on your laptop and then head into the folder where you have downloaded the PDF file to or save the PDF file to. In my case, it's on downloads here, and under documents, if I open up, you can see the sample PDF here. Simply select the PDF file and click on open and it's a load up here. And once you do this, you can simply send it. So this way you can send a PDF file using Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.